Yep, I guess that's one thing you could be doing on a stormy day. You could be grooming yourself. Or you could be making stuff. I prefer to make stuff. There'll be plenty of time for grooming when I'm dead. So here's a completed Sapele shell pepper. As you can see, it's got a wonderful grain, just gorgeous. They're nice and light, but they're very strong. Just feel wonderful in your hand. And I've got 10 of them up for grabs. $35 shipped in the US. Each one of these will be sanded down and oiled to look just as beautiful. They've all been tested. And they're ready for that final touch.